For the spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love, and self-discipline. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7. If you love Nigerian stew and you find it difficult to make, then this video is for you. First thing, I would introduce my ingredients, that is the tomatoes. I'm going to be using enough tomatoes for this, about 60%, then some onion, about 10%, then the rest should be peppers. Different types of peppers. If you cannot tolerate heat, then use tatashi and shombo or sweet bell peppers. After I blend that, I'm going to transfer that into a pot, then I'm going to cover the pot and allow this to boil down a bit, as it helps intensify the flavor. Once that is boiled down a bit, you can see how it is looking, still running, not too thick. I'm just going to allow this to cool down completely. You can place this in the fridge to cool down, but you don't just want this hot at all. Since I'm here to show you how to make the proper stew, I won't go through the corners of teaching you how to boil your meat. That should be basic. Now, into your oil, this oil has been seasoned properly. I'm just going to add in some chopped up onion, then I'm just going to fry this for some minutes till it is a bit translucent, not so dry. After frying the onions on low heat, you want to introduce your blended tomatoes and peppers. Add this into this, then you want to mix everything well to combine. Then you want to cover this halfway to fry. If you should cover this completely, then it's going to boil and take time to evaporate, and it's going to waste your gas. Now, do not forget we are putting this on the very low heat, the lowest heat. Now, after about 20 minutes, I came to check up on this and it's doing well. It's not burning, nothing at all. I'm just going to give this a quick mix. Then I'm just going to cover it up and allow to fry some more for the next 10 minutes. If you like the type of content I post on my channel and you want to come back for more, you want to click the subscribe button and like this video and turn on the bell notification to all notifications. After the 10 minutes mark, that is 30 minutes in total right now, I'm just going to open this and I'm going to give this a gentle stir. You can see it's looking properly dried already, properly fried. I'm just going to give it a proper stir, then I'm going to add in my seasoning. I used 2 chicken stock cubes, then I added in some salt as well. Then I went in with my meat broth or meat stock, whichever one you choose to call it. Then I give it a proper stir, then I cover this up to fry for 10 more minutes. That is giving it a total of 40 minutes of frying time. One of the secrets whenever you're making Nigerian stew and you want to achieve a perfect result is patience. If you are not patient enough, do not attempt it, just go for curry sauce or make noodles. Then I just went in with some Benny. Benny actually elevates this taste and the aroma of your food. Add it in, then give it a proper stir before you now introduce your protein. Don't get me wrong, you can use other seasonings you want, but to get the perfect Nigerian stew, you just have to keep it simple. I just added in my protein of choice, then I'm just going to stir this properly, then cover it a bit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let it cook, let everything marry themselves. Now, after that, I'm going to add in my powdered curry and thyme, because I feel like if you add it too early, the flavor is going to die down. But if you add it at the end, just as a finishing touch to the dish, it's going to give it a very nice flavor and it's going to be very tasty. So I added that in, then I'm just going to cover it up for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Let everything cook properly, and then that is it. That's how you make the perfect Nigerian buka stew. You can pair this with rice, spaghetti, yam, whatever you want to make it, pair it with, or jollof rice. Perfect. And if you've been watching to this point and you want more recipes like this, then you want to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.